We think money has just always been there, like it's a law of nature, like gravity. But money is not real. Not in the way you think. It's just an idea, one that billions of people agreed to believe, all at once. So here's the real question. What happens the moment everyone stops agreeing? Tomorrow, permanently, gone. Let's start with something small. Buying bread. Normally, you just hand over a few coins, done. But now, imagine there's no coins to hand over. You'd have to offer the baker something else instead. Maybe you have shoes, so you offer shoes for bread. But what if the baker already has shoes? Now you need to find something he actually wants. Let's say he wants a haircut instead. So now you need a haircut before you can even buy bread. But the barber doesn't want your shoes either. He wants firewood. So now you need firewood to get a haircut, to get bread. One loaf of bread, 3 favors deep. Economists actually have a name for this exact problem. They call it the double coincidence of wants. Both people have to want exactly what the other one has, at the exact same moment. Money didn't just make buying things easier. It erased this entire chain down to one single step. Without it, that chain doesn't disappear. It just gets longer for everything, every single day. Buying food, finding shelter, getting medicine. Every trade becomes a puzzle you have to solve first, and most days the puzzle just doesn't solve. Okay, let's forget bread for a second. Let's talk about you specifically. Right now, you probably know exactly what you're worth. Not as a person. As a paycheck, a number on a screen twice a month. Take away money, and that number just disappears. So here's the real question. If nobody could put a number on you anymore, what would you actually be worth? Maybe you're not a salary anymore. Maybe you're just someone who's really good at fixing things, or the only person in town who can set a broken bone, or just someone people trust to keep a promise. Suddenly, worth isn't a number anymore. It's just what you can actually do for someone else. That sounds kind of nice, actually. Until you remember not everyone brings something people need. What happens to the people who can't offer anything obvious in a world with no money? For the first time, worth becomes something you have to prove every single day. Let's go back to trading. But now with strangers, you need a stranger to fix your roof. Normally, you just pay them when it's done. Simple. Money isn't just currency. It's also a promise keeper. It guarantees the deal, even between strangers who've never met. Take money away, and that guarantee disappears too. Now, it's just your word against a stranger's word. Would you still trust them to actually show up tomorrow? Would they trust you? History actually already tried this. For thousands of years, before coins existed, most trade only happened between people who already knew each other, family, neighbors, people in the same small village. Strangers simply couldn't trade safely. There was no way to guarantee it. Money is the reason strangers can trust each other at all. Without it, trade shrinks back to just the people you know. Your world doesn't get bigger without money. It gets smaller, back down to just the people you actually trust. Now here's the part that surprises most people. You'd think no money means no more work stress. Finally, no bills, no rent, no paycheck to chase. So would you still get up for your job tomorrow? Some jobs, sure. The ones you do even for free. But what about the ones you only do for the paycheck? The commute, the overtime, the tasks nobody enjoys. Take away the paycheck, what's left to make you show up? Some people would keep building out of pure love for the work, but a lot of people might just stop. Not because they're lazy, but because the one reason they were pushing through just disappeared. Hospitals still need to run. Roads still need fixing. Someone still has to do the hard, boring, exhausting jobs. Would they, though, with nothing waiting at the end? Money isn't just a reward. For a lot of people, it's the only reason they show up. So let's go back to the beginning. We said money feels like it's always been here, like gravity. But it's not gravity. It never was. It's just the simplest tool humans ever built to solve 4 different problems at once. Matching what people need, measuring what people are worth, trusting people we've never met, and giving people a reason to keep going. Money was never really the thing we wanted. It was just a stand-in for trust, for safety, for being seen as worth something. Take the coin away completely, and those four things don't disappear. They just stop having anywhere to hide. Maybe money was never what mattered. Maybe it was just the mask the real thing wore all along. So next time someone says money is everything, maybe ask them what they'd actually be without it. If this made you think differently, even for a second, hit subscribe. We ask what if every week. See you in the next one.